Garage floor coatings. There are various garage floor coatings available in the market. Let's get into it. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. Besides the exterior, a garage is a place in your home that is often neglected and usually just a storage of random things. A spacious area like this should be maximized. Nowadays, a garage isn't just for storage, but it is an extension of your home. So for those of you who want to elevate the look of your garage, we've got some tips for you. Tip number one, make sure that your garage flooring is coated. The first thing that you should consider is making your garage as safe as possible, since every member of the family will likely have something to do in that area every day. This is a usual access point to all the people in your home. If the flooring is coated, accidentally dropping something heavy likely won't damage the flooring. The flooring will be more durable and look much nicer than bare concrete. Having your garage floor coated will save you lots of time and money in the long run. Tip number two, there are multiple coatings that you can choose from, but I suggest that you consider using polyspartic polyurea. Floor coatings have improved through the years. Of course, there are pros and cons to every material, but if this is your first time paying attention to your garage flooring, then it would be better to do it correctly the first time with a poly coating. Polyspartic garage floor coatings are safer, waterproof, easier to clean, UV resistant, and much stronger than epoxy, crack resistant, and more. Poly is also greener as it is ultra low in VOCs at volatile organic compounds. Choose the right garage floor coating the first time and be surprised by the return on investment for a lifetime. Tip number three, get the right service from the right people. We know there are a lot of businesses that are already offering this in the market. The question is, who will be able to do the job more seamlessly? If you've been thinking about maximizing the space in your garage and wanting some makeover, then TLC Garage Works is the company for you. TLC does not only specialize in flooring, but can also maximize your storage, your lighting, entertainment needs in your garage too. Make sure to visit tlcgarageworks.com or give us a call to learn more. You'll be glad you did, especially if you're looking to turn your garage into a showcase and a multi-purpose space for your home for a lifetime. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.